Hi buddies, welcome to Theo's fascinating program. In this video, let's see how to create a binary file with the help of a Python program. Come, let's switch over to the video. Hi buddies, let's see how to create a binary file. To create a binary file, the steps for creating a binary file is required. So these are the steps which we require to create a binary file. So you can find there is a step 1. We have to import a pickle module. The name of the module is called pickle. Only when I import it I can work in my binary file. Step 2. In step 2 we have to open the file with the extension filename.dat. This is an extension of a binary file. There is an example book.dat. So this is an example for opening a file. So the file should have an extension and it should be mentioned with its name. Third step, the file should be opened in a WB mode. So the WB mode is very important to work in a binary file. So example, I just give it as book.dat. This is a name of a file and I should mention what is the mode. So mode represents what I'm going to do it in my file. So I just give an example like f is equal to open. I've just open a parenthesis. Books.dat is a file name and I mention in a quotes WB in the sense it is a binary file writing. So I'm going to write some information on my binary file. So this is the step we have to follow to open a file and to work on a writing mode. So step 4. So we have to use a function called dump. Dump function is used to write the information on your binary file. So the syntax is pickle.dump object comma file handle. So we will be giving a pickle.dump object comma file handle. There is an example program. Let me show you. So there you can find a program f is equal to open and I have just given a file name det. So if you want whatever file name you want you can give it. So just go to my computer, open your drive and just copy the location. So where you want to create a file, just copy the location and come to the Python program and paste your location. And you can give a file name. I just give a file name called details.dat. So this file will be created in a location called E. So similarly you can create a file in any location. As we know that, so the file will be in the mode called WB. Now we have to get some input from the user. I'm just going to get an input from the user like b name, book name and book price. So I just mentioned the input and to enter a book name, int input to enter the book price. So once I get this data from the user, I just create a list. K is equal to b name comma there is a brief price. So as the final step 4 we have to use a dump function to write. So the syntax is pickle.dump object comma file handle. So the object is k where we have stored the list values and f is a file handle. I just close my file, f.close. So this is how we have to create. Now just go save your file. Give any file to save your Python program with the extension called py. I just give it as binary.py and then I just work with the program. Go to run and click on run module. It asks you for writing a book name. So I just give a book name called computer science. Enter a book price. I just give the price as 500. So you can find there is an error. I have missed a module called pickle in my program. Just you see to the program we have missed the step 1. So I just go to my program and I import my pickle. This is what happens when you don't import your pickle module. So I just include my step 1, import pickle. So once again just save your program and execute your program. Now it is asking you for enter a book name. I'll just give it as computer science and enter the book price. I just give it as 500. So this data is being written on the file. So this is the data, computer science and 500. So now I just want to go to the location and I have to find it. So the location is your E drive. Just go to E drive and refresh your page, and you can find there is a file name called details. So details is a file which the binary file information is being written. So when I open my file, you can find the information is not properly presented. So you cannot read a binary file with the help of directly opening a file. It can be read only with the help of a Python program. So if you want to read this file, once again we have to create a Python program to read this information. So this is how you have to add a data in a binary file. Now you to find to this data, we have to once again open in a read mode to read this data from the binary file. Thank you for watching.